Hi, this is Miss Cindy, and today I'm going to do another new craft. I'm going to attempt it. This is something that I've seen on YouTube, and I've seen in the stores, and I figured maybe one day I would do it because I have lots of pictures. So I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it, and let's see if it works out. For this one, I had mostly everything at home. The only thing I had to buy was I had to get some picture frames, and I went to the dollar store because this is the first time I'm doing it. So, you know, if I pay $1 and I mess them up, or if it doesn't work, I'm not too worried about it. I don't want to use expensive picture frames unless I do a fabulous one. But anyway, dollar store, and I got them in two different sizes, 5x7 and an 8x10. I have wood stain, already have wood stain. I've got the E6000. Super glue is always my backup. I got a sponge for the stain. I have a sanding sponge, which I had to sand this. I'm going to have to sand this down. And then I have some twine. That's pretty much as far as all the tools I think I'm going to need. But so far, I'm only in this $8. so if it works, fine. If it doesn't work, fine. Anyway, come on. Let's go see what I got. So I got this little wooden ladder at a garage sale for $2. As soon as I saw it, I had an idea what I wanted to do with it, because I've seen the ladder picture frames. So that's going to be the attempt on this video. It has a little bit of damage up here, and actually I am going to separate it. As you can see, this is attached. I'm going to separate it to make actually two, so this way it can just lean up against the wall and there'll be nothing on the back side. Right now I took it outside so that I can use a sponge, a sanding sponge, and I'm just sanding it down so that it's nice and smooth, because I'm not going to paint this. I think I'm going to stain it. Well, at least that's what the thought is now. We'll see once I get started. This side has been nice and sanded, and I pulled the two pieces apart. So I think I'm going to paint one side, and the other side I'm going to stain. So this one here has been sanded down, has been wiped off really good, and I'm going to go ahead and stain this one, and I'll show you when I'm finished. I decided to stain one and paint one, so both of the ladders are done. The stain one, I have to put a coat of polyurethane on. Actually, I'm going to probably polyurethane both. But I came to a stop because I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to get the frame to hold on this one that has the this line across. I didn't want to take it off because this isn't the most expensive wood, and I didn't know if I pulled that off, you know, it wouldn't be as sturdy as it is now. So I did end up buying something else. I bought some white rope, and I also bought some blue rope. And normally what you would do is you turn it over on the back, and then you go ahead and tie a knot at the top with the rope, and then just run it straight down. And then all you have to do is glue, turn it back over, and glue from here to here, not the frame, from here to here to the rope. Like I said, I'm going to run into a problem with this middle one because I'm not sure if the rope can go all the way behind it or if I'm going to have to come across. But that's going to be challenging because I got to make sure you can still open up the tabs on the back and change the picture. So right now I'm going to go ahead and polyurethane both of the ladders, and then I'm going to come back and start tying and gluing down the rope. Now I've seen this done, but everybody uses hot wax, the glue gun. I don't have success with the glue gun. I've been doing crafts for years, and I found that the super glue or this E6000 works, and it works permanently. When I use the glue gun, it comes apart after a while, and it's easy to pick off. So I'm going to stick with my E6000 for this. I'm going to polyurethane them, and then I'm going to start the ropes, and I will be back. Well, I found a solution for that middle wood that goes across here. What I did was I took my frame, the back of the frame, and I went ahead and glued it to this wood. So this is stationary now, and I still can open the tabs to change the picture. The only thing that will stay on this wood is this back cardboard piece. So now I'm going to tie a knot at the top of my frame, and then I'm going to carefully glue the back, only the cardboard part, all the way down. So everything is centered up, and then I'll hit this wood here, and then I'll take this all the way down. I'm going to go over this wood piece, and down. I have a little section there to hold that in, and then just take it all the way down, and then I'm going to knot it at the end. After that, if it holds and it looks like it's going to work, then I'll just go ahead and decorate it. Well, my ladder frame is finally complete. I did the back where I glued the top and came down as straight as I could, even going over that little piece of wood and all the way down to the bottom, and then I knotted and glued this again. It came out pretty good. The only helpful hints that I have for this project, if you decide to do it on your own, is one, if you use rope instead of twine, make sure you tape the rope before you cut it. If not, it's going to unravel. And also use the glue that you're most comfortable with. I used the E6000. I used some super glue here. I use wood glue for my decorations, which I'm going to show you now. Both of these were done for someone in particular. So there's the one, and that's because this dog is his BFF. And then this one here is for my other son, and these are the girls in his life. So overall, it really wasn't a hard project, pretty easy. I think I may do this again. I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day.